you, how are you providing for yourself and for your family, considering that this is a commission-based career?
I've heard that line so many times before, no? People would say, ay, wala siguro kinikita to kasi pag walang benta, walang kita. I mean, like, syempre, di ba? Saan ka naman nakakita ng career na hindi ka nagtrabaho, pero kumita ka pa din? So I think people misunderstand careers or businesses like this na yung commission-based to be low paid just because there's no set amount that comes into your bank account every month. But what I would like to reiterate is that just because there's no minimum, there's also no maximum. So you get to write your own income each month. You get to set the goal that you want to achieve each month for your family. So since I was the one writing my own paycheck based on the effort I put in each month, I am able to provide the needs and the wants of my family also. Kasi the more that you put in each month, di ba? The more na maganda yung outcome. Unlike in corporate jobs, di ba? Kahit taasan pa natin yung effort natin, sometimes it doesn't get recognized the way that it should be recognized, di ba? So that's not the case here, and that's why it's a perfect business to be in right now. Yeah.
That's really nice. And also, you're working hand in hand with your husband. He is employed in a different industry. You're also with Manulife. So, nagtutulungan kayo in that sense. Ms. Mitch, you have children.